Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. In the previous class, we learned up to the Indian system. Yes, now. So the introduction part will be completed today, and next onwards I will start for you the next exercise topics. Okay, ma. Now about Indian system, you have to learn about Indian system. Okay, before going to learn about the Indian system, first we have to revise the recall exercise regarding to that. Okay, children. Now I'll start recall exercise. In the recall exercise, we have only up to 4-digit numbers. In the recall exercise, we have only up to 4-digit numbers. Okay, ma? Okay, I will start to you. Write the number and number D. And show all the abacus. Okay. See. They given some cubic spaces, 4 cubes they given for us. Okay, and 2 boxes, square boxes, 3 spokes. And 7 ones. Look at this, children. Each square represents 1,000. How many squares was given here, Nana? How many squares was given? 4 squares. 4 squares meant for 4,000. Next. This square box indicate 100. How many hundreds are there? There are 2 hundreds. Next. 3 spokes was given. 3 spokes means 3 tens, 30. And 7 ones, 7. They ask us to write the number. After adding, write the number. What is that number now? Look at that. 4,000s, 200s, 3 tens and 7. So that nothing but 4,237. That number is 4,237. Write the number name. 4,237. And they ask us to show this one on abacus. How you will show on abacus, children? See that? In the abacus, if you find 2 parts will be, what are those? Spokes and beads. Spokes and beads. What is that? 4,237. According to that number, we have to draw the beads. In the first column, how many beads you have to draw, children? 4,000 is now 4 beads. 200s, 2 beads. 3 tens, 3 beads. 7 ones, 7 beads. Like that you have to draw all abacus. This is the first question in recall. What are those? Lesion number 4 squares was given. 4 squares was given. Each square having 1,000. Each square contains 1,000. 1,000. 4 into 1,000, 4,000s. 2 boxes, each one having 100 blocks. So 100 plus 100, 100 plus 100, 200. 3 spokes, 1, 2, 3, 3 tens, 30. And 7 ones, 7. Totally 4,237. 4,237. What is that number name, children? 4,237. Here the spelling 1,000 you have to learn, ma. THOUSAND, 1000. thousands place you have to draw four beads. In the hundreds place you have to draw 2 beads. In the tens place 3 tens 30 na 3 beads, and 7 ones you have to draw 7 beads, like that. Okay. See the second question, children. See the second one. Here they given 2 squares. Squares, 4 boxes, square boxes. Next, 9 ones. Listen, children. See that how many squares was given? 2 squares. 2 squares means 2000s. 2000. 400s. 400. 9 ones, 9. After adding these 3, what is the number you will get, children? 2400, and tens place was not given 9. So 2409. Write the number name. 2409. They ask us to draw on abacus this one. Already I told you abacus contains totally 2 parts. What are those 2 parts, children? Spokes and beads. Spokes and beads. What are those numbers? What the question they given? 2409. 2409. In the thousands place, how many beads you have to draw? 2 beads. 2000s na 2 beads. In the 100 place 400, so 4 beads. Here 0 tens. 0 tens means 0 means we used to say nothing. That means we need not to draw any type of bead. So in the 9 ones, 9 beads you have to draw. Okay. Like that you can show that on abacus. Okay, children. What is that? 2 squares, 2400s and 9 ones, 2409. So you can show that on abacus also. Okay, children. Next one, write the number for the number name. Write the number for the number name. Write the number for the number name. First one. Write the number for the number name. See that. How we will write the number for number name? First one. 6090. 6090. Second one, 8002. 8000. Third one, 7042. 7042. Fourth one, 8549. 8540. 8549. See that. What is that? 6090. First one, 6090. Before going to write that, up to 1000 place the question was given. First write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is that? 6,000. How many hundreds? Not yet given any type of hundred. So keep 0. 90, 9 tens, 90. Next one. Here is also up to 1000 only. What is the question given? 8,000 to 8,000 to how many thousands? 8. Not yet given hundred place and not yet given tens place. So 0 and tens place also 0 and ones place 2. Next one. 7,041 tens, 100 and 1000. 7,042. 7,000s. Hundreds place was not given and keep 0. 42. 4 tens, 40. 42. Okay. Next one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next one. 8,549. 8,549. How many thousands? 8,000s. How many hundreds? 5 hundreds. How many tens? 4 tens. And how many ones? Nines. 8,549. After writing the place value, you have to write the number. Don't write blindly. Okay. Next one. Write the numbers. Write the numbers. Write the numbers. First one. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Next one. Smallest 4-digit number. Using the digits 0, 3, 4, 1. Third one. Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Fourth one. Greatest 4-digit number with the greatest 4-digit number. Using the digits. Using the digits 0, 3, 4, 1. Okay. See the first question. What is the smallest 4-digit number? Smallest 4-digit means it starts with 1 nana. 4-digit number na. So remaining 3 place values you have to put 6. It is nothing but 1000. That is nothing but 1000. Next one. Smallest 4-digit number using the digit. Already in the previous class you learned about how to write the smallest possible and how to write the greatest possible. Here they are asking smallest possible with digit 0, 3, 4, 1. Which is smallest of all? 0. But if you write 0 at first, it becomes the 3-digit number. Na? So don't write like that. First you have to write next smallest 1 and then smallest 1 0. Next smallest 3 and then 4. That means you have to write the given digits in the order of ascending order. Okay. Next. Greatest 4 digits. Greatest means it starts with 9. So 4 digits na all 9s. 9,999. Next one. Write the greatest possible number with that. Already I told you to write the greatest number. First we have to arrange the digits in order of descending order. So what will come first? 4, 3, 1, 0. Nothing but 4,310. Like that you have to write the greatest possible and smallest possible. While writing the smallest possible, you have to arrange the given digits in order of ascending order. While writing the digits in a greatest, while writing the digits, the possible greatest number, you have to arrange the given digits in order of descending order. Okay children, tomorrow I will continue the next class. Till then, goodbye ma, take care.